everyone, here's KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about top 5 phrases you can use at a restaurant. Welcome back. My name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And today, let's go through top 5 phrases you can practically use today at a restaurant. Number 1. 불고기하고 소주 한 병 주세요. 불고기 is the thin sliced ribeye beef and marinated sauce. 불고기하고 is and. 소주 is Korean rice wine. 한 is one in a Korean number system. 병 is bottle counting unit. 주세요, 주다 verb give, and 세요 please. 불고기하고 소주 한 병 주세요. Please give 불고기 and 1 bottle of soju. I remember when I visited North America for the first time back in 2007. I was in Starbucks and thinking how I'm gonna ask for Frappuccino. And I'm trying to think all the things that I learned back home and how I'm gonna ask this. In English, you're gonna say, could I get a? Or I'd like to have a, and then the menu item. But in Korean, it's really simple. We just say menu item, please give. Number 2, 서비스예요. It's service. 서비스 is service. 예요 is be verb in a polite way. It's service. You're probably wondering what service. This is Konglish that we use in South Korea. When something is free and that is on the house, we say service, as in we're providing the best service for you. It's service. It's free. It's on the house. Number 3. 잡채 한 그릇 더 주세요. 잡채 is a clear sweet potato noodle with some vegetables. It usually comes as side dish. 잡채 한 그릇. 한 is one. 그릇 is dish as counting unit. 더, more. 주세요. Please give. 잡채 한 그릇 더 주세요. Please give another 잡채. If you go to Korean restaurant in South Korea, you can probably order side dish for free, even the extra ones. But if you order them in North America, they may charge you extra. Number 4. 계산서 주세요. 계산 is actually calculation. 서 has a meaning of book. Calculation book becomes bill. 주세요. 주다 verb again. Give. 세요 please. Please give the bill. 계산서 주세요. Number 5. 내가 쏠게. I will treat you. 내가 쏠게. So 내가 is I with a subject particle 가. 나 is actually I, but when it's used with subject particle 가, it changes. 나 to 내. 내가 쏠게. 쏘다 is actually shoot. I will shoot. It means I will pay. It's my treat. It's actually slang term. If you want to say pay, I will pay, you can say 내다. 내다 verb. 낼게. 내가 낼게. It's the same thing as 내가 쏠게. 알게 means will. I will pay. It's my treat. 내가 쏠게. 내가 낼게. If you want to say in a polite way, 제가 낼게요. You don't normally say 쏘다 in a polite way. 제가 낼게요. I will pay. Normally in our culture though, older people pay for younger person. So you gotta be careful to say I will pay if you're sitting down with somebody who are older. Who knows, they may be very happy if you pay. They may say, 아니야. Okay. I hope you like these 5 phrases today. If you like this video, give thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And follow my Instagram at KSTYLEYO and at Learn Korean Phrase. I post on those 2 Instagrams every single day. If you want to follow my work every single day, follow me on the Instagrams. And subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.